So welcome to New Mexico Desert Classics. Today got a bunch of projects going on. I was supposed to replace the front struts and rear shocks on the M Roadster. Turns out I ordered the wrong shocks. Right struts, but I'm gonna wait and do them all at one time. So instead, I'm gonna move along to working on something for the Westfalia pop top. 87 Volkswagen Westfalia Vanagon. These are, I mean, if you've watched any of the videos, the interior was just atrocious, but these are actually in pretty good shape. They're just dirty. So I've been debating whether or not to take them off or wash them in the foam. I've got various recommendations from everybody out there. I'm going to go ahead and try with one to take it off the foam, wash it on gentle cycle, put it back on while wet. And then there's this. This goes underneath the carpet in the front cab area. It is original. It is kind of funky, but original quality is always better. So what I think I'm going to do with this today is I'm actually going to shoot the entire thing with a clear coat to try and seal in some of the funk, and also just make sure it lasts a bit longer. So follow along. So just in case this goes sideways, I'm going to start with the smallest one. I figure it's only 2 inches thick instead of 4, and it is smaller in total size. So it's got a zipper on the side. I'm going to try and take it off. All right, that came out pretty easy. I'm quite sure going back in will not be as easy, but I'm going to move on to the other two. All right, got the first one put back together. It was the easiest one. Not perfect, but definitely better than before. Okay, so the second of the 2-inch ones, the larger one, went together pretty well. A little more difficult. Again, washed them on gentle cycle, put it back on wet, setting them out in the sun nice and flat. Should work well. Now on to the beast. Okay, so not nearly as difficult as I expected it to be. Just slipped them on, and I mean, you had to fight it a little bit because they are form-fitting. And then I was really careful with the zippers, because the last thing I want to do is lose a zipper, and these things are, what, 37 years old from an 87 Westfalia. The cool thing is all the staining that was along the snap edges on the two smaller ones is all gone. Still a little bit on this, maybe not. I don't know. Got them sitting out in the hot New Mexico sun. Gonna let them dry up a bit, and then go put them back in. So hey, thanks for watching. A lot of times I like to make DIY videos of things that I throw a question out there on Vanagon sites, and I get mixed answers, or ooh, I don't know, man. So I figured I'd give this one a shot and throw it out there just so you don't have to experiment on your own. As always, thanks for watching New Mexico Desert Classics. Give us a like and subscribe. We're sitting just under 700 subscribers. Like to break that mark.